It's one of those jobs that will change, I think. And the reason that I say that is that, the general wisdom in the games industry at the moment is that around 20% of your development budget goes into testing and QA writ large. So
Wow.
it's a rather large amount that's getting invested into this already. People know that it's important. In spite of that, the last statistic that I saw from an industry survey was that around 61% of games ship with like well-known problematic defects in the game. So in spite of this like massive investment, we're not solving the problem. And so not as well as we wanted to anyway. I think that's the way to think about it, right? So I think, when AI comes in and automation comes in, which is obviously, that's one of the use cases we're working on in model AI with these virtual players. When that comes in, it becomes kind of like a scaling factor over your existing QA team. And it starts enabling you to have the human workers who are like contributing, human developers who are contributing to testing the game. They can start working, at a greater scale when they start having some of these technological components in place. So imagine you have your current QA testing team who are spending a lot of their time just testing the functionality, the basic functionality of the game, right? And now take that like sort of like more sort of I don't know, functional level of testing away from them. Imagine if that gets automated and runs like once twice a day in your CI pipeline, right? Then imagine what these people could then do for your application, right? Then you unleash their creativity, their learning, and you start applying their efforts to the things that can move the needle to an even greater extent. So I see it as a case of like AI working in conjunction with humans rather than a straight up replacement, as we're.